Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You all know that the December has came, means Christmas is coming. For that I am going to teach you all how to make a star lantern for Christmas. If you feel this paper star lantern difficult, I have teached to make this plastic bottle lantern in my old videos. You can check it in my YouTube channel. Let's start making. First I have taken a square paper and I will fold it into half. Now unfold and fold these two edges to the center line and press. And unfold. Now I'm using Fevicol glue and I will apply a very less. I'm putting dots. Make sure you put a little. Now I'm going to fold the other side on top of this dotted line glue which we have put. Now after sticking, we'll press the edges. Now if you put your finger, it should open like this. Now I'm going to take a ruler and a pencil, and from this tip to this line I'm going to draw a slanting line. Now I'm going to draw the line. Make sure this is not the center line. You can see the center line over here. Make sure you draw it properly and correctly. Now we will cut this triangle. After cutting, you will get two shapes like these. Now you will get a V shape after cutting, and before you put the holes in it for the design, make sure you check that it opens properly like this. Now I'm going to cut a little and fold only this upper part. And we'll repeat the same thing to the other side. Make sure you press it. And now I'm going to do the holes using this punching machine. You can use the flower type of punching machine too if you have it. After cutting both the sides, you will get a design like this. Now I'm going to fold this into half properly. After folding, I am pressing the edges. Make sure if you are using double-sided hole puncher, you should use only one side, and there will be one more type of puncher which will punch only one hole. And now I'm going to punch half circles here. After putting the holes, if you open it, you will get a design like this. Now on this I am going to put the glue. Make sure you put for both the sides. Like that only. I had made 4 more. Now we will stick one above the other. Make sure you use the same size and same color paper. Make sure the glue should be the upper side. After sticking, now press it hard, and if you remove, you will get a shape like this. Now I am going to put my fingers and open it so that the star will become 3D. Like this. And now I am going to fold it. I have sticked one more sheet which is pink color so that it can become a little big and matching color. You can stick how much ever pieces you want to make it bigger. See how nice it looks. Now I'm using this laser light and putting the laser light inside the hole inside. Wow, so amazing it is looking. See? If I change the color to green, it is a little thinking me in the laser light. It will look amazing like this. See how amazing it looks. You can hang it somewhere for Christmas decoration. Start making this and decorate your house with Christmas stars. See how nice it looks. You can hang it somewhere too. How nice it looks. Guys, this is my paper star lantern for Christmas. Follow my YouTube link and subscribe my channel for seeing how to make this paper star lantern.